In this tutorial, I will show you the easiest way for shaping a neat and professional armhole using a French curve. If you struggle with armhole shaping, this beginner-friendly guide will help you learn how to cut smooth and accurate curves for blouses and gowns. This sewing tutorial is ideal for beginners, fashion design students, and anyone learning pattern drafting at home. We shall be using a pair of scissors, a French curve, chalk, this fabric, and the measuring tape. If you enjoy sewing tutorials for beginners, this one, please subscribe for more easy fashion design lessons. Let's go to the cutting table. Voila. Voila. Thank you for watching.